What is up, guys? Today is March 1st, 2024, and today I'm going to Seattle, Washington. Looking forward to it. Yeah, it's about 6 a.m. right now. We're at George Bush Airport. My flight's about in an hour, so looking forward to taking y'all along for the ride and come to Seattle with me. Excited to show y'all around. It's one of my favorite cities in the USA. Legit. Peace. Alright guys, so we just got to Seattle after like 5 hours of flying, and I just picked up my rental car. What I'm gonna do now is pick up my skis and then meet up with my friend. So yeah, pretty exhausted. What is up, guys? We are out here at Snoqualmie, the summit at Snoqualmie, guys. And we're about to ski. I'm off of like 3 hours of sleep, and so pretty exhausted. Also just chugged a Red Bull and had like McDonald's, which McDonald's slows your body down, so that's a downer, and then the Red Bull is an upper. So
the man's heart rate is going crazy.
So yeah, man, we out here about to ski. Just landed in Seattle. Just drove straight here, man, because we grind, we ride for the viewers. All right, the viewers. This is what the viewers asked for, so I got y'all. Stu, what do you have to say?
I don't know, man. We just got out here. It's snowing right now. The weather is kind of perfect. We pulled up right to the slopes. So looking forward to walking up and getting out there.
So yeah, first time skiing ever in Washington, so looking forward to it. And as you can see right now, the pretty great weather. I brought my Insta cam as well, my 360 cam. So looking forward to showing you guys the Insta 360 cam footage. Yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll see y'all in the next clip. Peace.
Peace.
This is my friend Stuart right here, by the way. Go back way back from to guys. 2016, guys. It's been 8 years, guys. 8 years of friendship. And you know the saying goes, it's if you get to 7 years, he's your friend for life.
That's it. We out here.
All right, peace, Kyle. First run of 2024, guys. I just fell on the ski lift, but I didn't get it on camera. But it wasn't as embarrassing as I thought it would be, because I just don't care. Anyways, I'm gonna follow Stuart's lead here. So whenever you're ready, first run of the year, baby. Summit at Snoqualmie. We'll get it. Still got it. It's been over a year. Oh. That was a little freaky. Still got it though. Ooh. Sharp turn. Show over. Oh. Still got it though. First run. Didn't even fall yet, boys. Okay, we got it. Ooh. Hard stop. Just chill a little bit. Ain't nobody trying to go crazy now. Come on now, boys. You still got it. Warm up. Alright, we just did our first run. That was the first run. I'm going to edit the footage here because I'm not trying to run out of memory. But, yeah.
How's it feel to ski with this thing on?
So, it feels pretty heavy on your head, so as long as you don't go too fast, you're fine. Yeah. Not ideal, though. Alright.
Alright, run number 2. Boy took me on a blue for my second run. But technically it's a green and a blue. See what happens. Oh, that's freaking scary, dude. Chill. Chill. Oh, freaking workout. Oh. God damn. Yeah, I don't think I'm ready for this yet. Holy fuck, it's too hot.
The thing is, like,
We can zoom down real quick.
yeah, if you want to do more greens, like, we can't really go central anymore because this is all blues to greens.
Yeah.
So you kind of have to stay to the left and take those lifts instead.
Yeah. I saw some kids going down that way, but I don't know if those were greens or what.
That's the terrain part, so that's like harder than where we're at right now.
I'm just like trying to be extra cognizant.
Yeah. So this is all black in the middle because it's the terrain part. And then on the left side there's green. If you take those paths on the left, I mean, there aren't that many green trails to be honest, but at least it'll take you to the bottom on the left side where you can do some more. Everything on the, like out here, unless we go through another blue, you're not going to make it any more green. So you kind of have to go down to the left and then stay over there.
Damn. We're in this Insta 360, bruh. Low key. Not worth. Let me just chill real quick, cause I just need to chill.
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe we like split if you want to do more kind of green and warm up.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Alright guys, we're at Snoqualmie right now, and wearing this Insta 360 on your head is so annoying. It actually throws off your balance. Would not recommend. We got here. It's crazy. And pretty tired. I did one blue and I was just dead. That was like my second run, and so I'm just doing the greens to warm up before Crystal Mountain tomorrow, because I was dying on the blue, dude. I was like, I should have just took more time on the green and warmed up, because my first day of skiing in like over a year, so definitely not a wise decision to just start off with a blue. Alright guys, I'll see y'all later. Night skiing. Peace.
I'm gonna do one more, and then I think I'm gonna call it, guys. It's been pretty dark. Even though there's a nice game, but it's fine. I'm just working my turns, french fries, see if I can pick up speed, control. That's what I got. Ooh, that's a little sus. Speed zigzags. Control. It's all about control. It's all about control. Smooth, 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 smooth. Ayo, 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 crisp, crisp, crisp. Woo! Ayo. Some light, some light, some light, some light, some light, some light. All right, smooth. Ski. All right, well that's a wrap, fellas. That's a wrap for today. Give it to warm up. I'll rest up tomorrow.
All right, guys, so we just finished our ski run for the day. I think we did about 3.5 hours, but I'm pretty gassed. Can't believe I did this like right after my flight, which is crazy. But I'm super tired. I just did a lot of warm-up runs today. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. I did one green and then I did a blue, which wasn't a good idea because I hadn't gotten my mechanics straightened out yet. And so I was like literally like anxious because of how steep the slope was. So I literally was just zigzagging down, which, was pretty anxious, pretty anxiety inducing, to be honest. So did that. And then I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna just keep doing the bunny hills till I, get it back. And I think I got it back. So hopefully tomorrow will go better. Obviously the second day always is better than the first one. But I was surprised of how much muscle memory I kept, but also how much muscle memory I lost. But yeah, pretty gassed right now, guys. I mean, look at how dark it is. There's still night skiing going on at Snoqualmie, but we're just gonna call it because we gotta wake up early tomorrow to go to Crystal Mountain. And so yeah, with that being said, thanks for tuning in. I'll see y'all later. Stuart, what you gotta say for the vlog?
A good first day, man. Glad we got out here. You got some warm-ups in. Hopefully we'll have a good day at Crystal tomorrow. Excited for day 2?
All right, day two. All right, so we're gonna head back right now, go back to Bellevue, and just rest up because we gotta wake up super early tomorrow. But yeah, chilling at the campfire right now, resting. All right, peace, guys.